Artificial intelligence, it's here. It's changing everything. ONPASSIVE is at the forefront of this revolution. We use AI to empower businesses. We level the playing field. Small businesses can compete with the big guys. Imagine a world where technology does the heavy lifting. ONPASSIVE's AI tools are designed to do just that. We automate tasks. We provide valuable insights. We make businesses smarter. ONPASSIVE is not just about technology. It's about empowering people. It's about giving businesses the tools they need to succeed. But before we get started, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, like and comment below. Thanks. I appreciate it. Let's talk about ONPASSIVE's AI tools and how they can revolutionize your business operations. First up, we have Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. Our AI can analyze vast amounts of customer data in real time. It identifies trends and predicts customer behavior with high accuracy. This helps businesses target the right customers more effectively and efficiently. Next, we have Marketing Automation, a game changer for any business. ONPASSIVE's AI can create highly targeted marketing campaigns. It can personalize content to suit individual customer preferences. It can even automate social media posts and interactions. This saves businesses a significant amount of time and money, allowing them to focus on growth. But wait, there's more. ONPASSIVE also offers advanced tools for recruitment and human resources management. Our AI can screen candidates efficiently and identify the best fit for your company. It can automate the entire onboarding process, making it seamless and hassle-free. This makes hiring not only easier, but also more efficient, ensuring you get the best talent quickly. Data is everywhere, but it's useless unless you know how to use it. ONPASSIVE's AI excels at data analysis. It can find patterns and insights that humans might miss. This helps businesses make better decisions. For example, our AI can analyze website traffic. It can identify which pages are most popular. It can even track customer journeys. This information is invaluable for improving website design and content. ONPASSIVE's AI also helps businesses understand their competitors. It can track competitor activity and identify opportunities. This gives businesses a competitive edge. Section 4. Winning with ONPASSIVE Real-World Success Stories. Don't just take our word for it. Hear directly from those who have experienced the transformation. The technology is versatile and adaptable to various business needs. It's a practical, real-world solution. It's a proven solution that is already helping businesses thrive in the digital age. With ONPASSIVE, the future of business is here, and it's brighter than ever. Section 5. Your business supercharged the ONPASSIVE advantage. So, what does all this mean for your business? It means transforming the way you operate, making your processes more efficient and effective. It means you can work smarter, not harder. By leveraging advanced AI technology, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what truly matters. It means you can automate tasks and free up your time. Imagine having more hours in your day to innovate and grow your business. It means you can make data-driven decisions and gain a competitive edge. With real-time insights, you can stay ahead of the curve and adapt quickly to market changes. ONPASSIVE is more than just a set of tools. It's an integrated platform designed to elevate every aspect of your business operations. It's a partner in your success. We are committed to helping you achieve your goals and reach new heights. We're here to help you every step of the way. Our dedicated support team ensures you get the most out of our platform. Our team of experts will work with you to understand your business needs and develop a customized solution. We tailor our approach to fit your unique challenges and opportunities. We believe that every business deserves the opportunity to succeed. Our mission is to democratize access to cutting-edge technology. That's why we've made ONPASSIVE accessible to businesses of all sizes. No matter your scale, you can benefit from our innovative solutions. Whether you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company, we have a solution for you. Join us and experience the ONPASSIVE advantage today. Section 6. Joining the AI revolution. Take your business to the next level. The future is here. The future is AI, and the future belongs to those who embrace it. ONPASSIVE is your ticket to the future of business. Don't get left behind. Join the AI revolution today. Contact ONPASSIVE and let us show you how we can help your business reach its full potential. With ONPASSIVE, the possibilities are endless. It's time to unlock the power of AI for your business. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how you can join, please go to the description below. Thank you and I wish you much success.